Okay, I swore I never was going to make another FFL Q&A, but I still get this FFL question asked all the time. This will be a short and easy video. People ask me, do you need an FFL for firearms engraving? And the answer is yes. Ta-da, that's it. Look, we can go straight to the ATF website and read the following. It says, is a license needed to engage in the business of engraving, customizing, refinishing, or repairing firearms? It says, yes, a person conducting such activities as a business is considered to be a gunsmith within the definition of a dealer. Yea, verily, thou shalt get an FFL. Ta-da, that's it. Honestly, it's pretty cheap. It's like $200 for the first year, $90 every year for that. And if you can't afford $30-ish a year to stay legally compliant, honestly, you can't afford to be in the business of gunsmithing anyway. So that's pretty much it. Are there some loopholes that you could theoretically work around? Sure, yeah, but why for so cheap? So yeah, that's pretty much it. So go ahead and get your FFL to engrave firearms. If you have any thoughts on that, put it in the comment section below. Okay guys, thanks for watching.